Today, we're exploring Icy Strait Point, although funnily enough, I definitely thought this was a stop in Hoona. Turns out they're two completely different places. While we're here, we take the famous gondola, consider tackling the world's largest zipline, and end up booking a last-minute excursion that turns into one of the wildest experiences of our entire cruise.
배어에서 lunchtime. Jesus, Simon.
But first, we've got a full day to see what Icy Strait Point is all about. This is one area of Alaska I have never been to. My mom and I are here on a port day today. Now I have to be honest with you guys, I initially thought we were going to Hoona, but turns out that's a completely different town and area and port than Icy Strait Point. So we've heard that the whale watching here is incredible, but if you've been watching our cruise vlogs, then you know that we actually went whale watching in Juneau just a few days ago. So instead of doing that again, today here in Icy Strait Point, we've chosen to take the tram up and maybe do the zip line. Are you gonna do the zip line?
No, I'm done.
Looks like there's a couple different areas to explore in Icy Strait Point. I think we are doing the Sky Peak Gondola. We'll see if we can find some of these other places while we're here.
You said we are going to Gondola. So I thought in Italy, there's a gondola, little ship, and then somebody said, "Oh, re mio." I thought that's it.
So we've got a nice little map here of Icy Strait Point. We actually ported at Ocean Landing, and so I think we're right around here right now. And we want to make our way, I think, up that way to where the gondola area is going to be. Behind me here, you can see the gondola. We actually decided to take that at the very end of our port day here at Icy Strait Point because when we were kind of shuttled through the Adventure Center, we actually saw a last-minute tour availability, so we might have added that on. We've got a little bit of time though before we head out on that tour, so we decided to come to the Cannery, do a bit of exploring on this end, and cannot wait to show you what tour we signed up for. We made our way all the way down this little boardwalk here. We've seen a couple starfish and it's absolutely beautiful, and we've made our way to a couple of restaurants. I think this entire red building area is actually the Cannery, which essentially consists of a museum and a gift shop.
They can catch me bigger fish than.
Inside the Cannery Museum, you can see all kinds of exhibits and original equipment from when this was an actual working cannery, and learn about how the town's extensive fishing routes helped shape the local community here. We did end up finding a little booth that was a Hoona Visitor Information Center. Apparently, I didn't realize this coming into Icy Strait Point, but apparently they have a $10 per person shuttle that brings you to the actual town of Hoona. We don't actually have time today to catch it because we have to be back on the boat by 3 p.m. You can walk also, turns out it's about a mile, but now it's time for our actual tour that we randomly signed up for today. So we're going to go back to the Adventure Center and get on a bus or boat, I'm not sure. First impressions of Icy Strait Point definitely make it feel almost like it's one of those fake ghost town villages. It does seem like everything's been made up for the tourists here. I don't know if that's the case or not. And it is kind of a shame that we weren't able to visit Hoona because I really have heard that it's a cute little town, very rich in Native Alaskan history and culture. So I'm kind of bummed that we don't have time for that today, but I'll definitely have to come back with Tyler one of these times. What tour are we doing?
What tour are we gonna do?
Yeah.
After this?
Right now.
Oh, whale watch. Oh, I don't want to whale watch, but Deborah forced me to do.
We just got off the bus and made our way to the head of the hiking trail that we're going to be doing. Had no idea we were signing up for hiking, but here we go. There were actually two facts that stood out to me that our guide told us on the way out here. One is that apparently this island has the biggest concentration of brown bears, and two is about the moose. Apparently the biggest predator of moose on this island is actually orcas. So when the moose go out swimming, the orcas will like flip them with their tail and drag them under, and to me I thought that was pretty crazy. Bear poop.
Oh. No. nearby, maybe there is nearby.
There's more bear poop.
Oh,
There's some more bear poop. So our guide Alex is telling us that that mountain that we're looking at right now has the highest concentration of bear dens that's known to man. A little bit concerning, but we'll see if we see any today.
may I ask, when do you shoot the bear?
Good question. Only time we'd be firing a lethal shot or even a warning shot is if a bear is actively charging.
We had just made it to the first bear viewing platform when we realized that there was a bear right across the river. It was a little ways down, but we could just make out that it was fishing for some salmon. Onwards to platform number 2. We had just made it to the second viewing platform when right then the bear started walking straight towards us.
How far is it? About 75 feet away.
It was amazing watching all the fish run away from the bear as it moved closer. And before we knew it, it was right next to us.
Just across the little creek. Bear has a lunchtime. Delicious salmon.
Seeing a bear from this close is definitely an experience you'll want to add to your itinerary. We have since made our way back to the Cannery area. We actually got to drive through Hoona both ways to go see the bears, which was really fun. I'm happy we at least got to see the town, even if we didn't get to explore it. We also might have stopped at the donut place our guide told us about. They have 36 different flavors. Hi! Can we do 1/2 dozen of cinnamon? And then 1/2 dozen of the huckleberry? Thank you. Here you go.
Yeah.
Wow, that looks so good.
맛있다.
Is it good?
It's warm.
Our guide said huckleberry's the best. Oh, it is warm. Definitely get the mini donuts. Oh my gosh. Now, the only thing we have left on our Icy Strait Point Port day is to go on the gondola ride. So the first step of getting to the red paid gondola is to actually take this green gondola that's free to the red gondola station. Thank you. Yes, you too. Mom, guess how much the zip line is?
How much?
Guess. Extra.
About extra?
Yeah. Like, because we already have our gondola tickets. So how much
sure.
extra do you think the zip line is?
$50?
$185.
185?
I have a random question. Sure. So we already have our gondola tickets. How much extra is it for the zip line?
It's 185 won.
Well, how much?
185 won.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you.
우와. 하지마.
Thank you.
Over there, it's almost like 89 degree. We go up. From now on, my leg begins to shake. Whoa. My knee is shaking. How can you show up?
Can you take my photo?
Oh, if you can, you take. Hanging everywhere. 너무 무서워. 다리가 막 떨리잖아 지금. My leg is shaking now.
It's really pretty.
아니야.
Over there.
I don't need to look. Oh, good. No. I'm old. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh, this is it. I can't do this again.
We came up to the viewpoint. The views are stunning. I think the fog or the clouds are just coming in, absolutely beautiful. You can see the mountains in the back. They're just starting to take over the trees. Love it.
It's a beautiful landscape. But gondola, I do not like gondola.
Here's a gift shop, gemstone mining, some food. We're just gonna watch the ceremonial lighting ceremony. Apparently they do them every 30 minutes up here. So the guy doing the ceremonial lighting ceremony never really showed up. Waited about 30 minutes, so we decided it's best to go back down now because we kind of have to make it back to the boat. So unfortunately that'll have to be something that we hopefully do next time we're here. Are you ready to ride the gondola back down?
Yeah, back down maybe a little bit better. I hope so.
Thank you.
Torturing moment.
Whoa, it's so fast.
Oh. Oh my, Mom isn't here.
There's our cruise ship.
Where?
Way down there.
Way down there. Oh,
There's another one now too, a second cruise ship.
there's a true cruise ship.
Yeah. Are you still scared?
No, not now. We are close. Not that bad.
You made it.
Yes, we did. Oh, good.
All right, we just got back down off the red gondola. Now we have to take the green one back to where our cruise ship is. And now the line for the green one is super long. So pro tip, if you're cutting it short on time, you're gonna wanna give yourself a little extra time. How many? 2? How many? Overall, I would say we had a great time here today. Seeing the bear was awesome. The gondola ride had incredible views. And as always, thanks so much for watching. Appreciate you guys. Tomorrow we are heading over to Ketchikan and we'll see you guys there. Bye.